In last lecture, we discussed top 50 questions of kingdom Plantae. Now let's start top 50 objective questions of kingdom Animalia. First part is basis of classification and body organization. The first question is, animals are multicellular eukaryotic organisms that are autotrophic? No. Heterotrophic? Yes. Number 2, level of organization in porifera, that is cellular level? Yes. Number 3, symmetry in Coelenterata or Cnidaria is bilateral? No. Radial? Yes. Number 4, the first phylum to show organ symmetry level of organization is porifera? No. Cnidaria? No. Platyhelminthes? Yes. Question number 5, diploblastic animals have 2 germ layer? Yes. 6, animals with true coelom are called acoelomate? No. Pseudocoelomate? No. Coelomate? Yes. Question number 7, example of pseudocoelomate animal is Ascaris? Yes. Correct answer is A. Number 8, the excretory organ in flatworms, Platyhelminthes, is phlegm cells? Yes. Number 9, animals showing radial symmetry include starfish. Now question number 10. Now 10, animals have an incomplete digestive system. It's Hydra. Now questions from phylum Porifera to Echinodermata. Number 11, skeleton of Porifera is made up of spiculous or spongin fibers. Number 12, canal system is characteristic feature of sponges? Yes, water canal system. Number 13, the body cavity in coelenterates is known as gastrovascular cavity? Yes. Correct answer is A. Now 14, the sting cells of Cnidaria are called nematocytes? Yes. Number 15, planaria shows regeneration, great power of regeneration found in planaria. Number 16, example of free living flatworm, planaria? Yes. Flatworm means Platyhelminthes. Now number 17, the body of Ascaris is covered by, Ascaris body is covered by cuticle. Number 18, the excretory organ of earthworm is nephridia? Yes. Correct answer is nephridia. Number 19, Neris belongs to Annelida. Number 20, Ferretima and Hirudinaria are annelids. Now questions from Arthropoda, Mollusca and Echinodermata. Number 21, the largest phylum of animal kingdom is Mollusca? No. Arthropoda? Yes. Number 22, excretory organ in insect are Malpighian tubules? Yes. Correct answer is Malpighian tubules. 23, respiratory organs of prawn are gills? Yes. Number 24, the exoskeleton of arthropods is made up of chitin. Number 25, foot in molluscas is used for locomotion? Yes. Correct answer is A. Now 26, octopus belongs to phylum Mollusca. 27, water vascular system found in, this is found in Echinodermata, and canal system found in Porifera. Clear? Now 28, which phylum has calcareous endoskeleton? Echinodermata. Number 29, echinoderms are exclusively marine. 30, example of echinoderm, starfish? Yes. Next, now questions from chordate and vertebrates. 31, notochord is present in chordates. 32, which of the following is jawless fishes? That is myxine. 33, the heart of fishes is two-chambered. 34, amphibians are cold-blooded vertebrates? Yes. Now 35, respiration in frogs occur through lungs and skin? Yes. Number 36. Reptiles have which type of skin? Dry and scaly. 37. Example of oviparous reptile. This is lizard. 38. Birds are adapted for flight due to pneumocytic bones. Yes. Air sacs. Yes. Feathers. Yes. That means all of the above. 39. Which class of vertebrates have mammary glands? Class Mammalia. 40. The heart is mammal is four-chambered. Now questions from higher concepts. 41. Warm-blooded animals includes birds and mammals. Number 42. Viviparous animals give birth to young ones. 43. The body of sponges has numerous pores called ostia. 44. Animals without vertebral column are called invertebrates. Now 45. Which animal exhibit metameric segmentation? This is earthworm. 46. Closed circulatory system is found in earthworm. 47. Endoskeleton of mammals is made up of bone and cartilage. Yes. 48. Mammals that lay eggs are called monotremes. 49. Example of monotremes. Platypus. Yes. 50. Chordata is divided into protochordata and vertebrata. Yes. In case of 50, answer is A. We discuss simple top 50 question of kingdom Animalia. Comment your score.